Hello everyone. So today I'm gonna be installing a doorknob. This is what I bought. This is a standard one. Alright, now let me open it. I'm gonna just cut it open. We got the screws. We got the middle part. Little instructions if you need it. Keys. And then this the door handles. So this go on the inside. This part goes on the inside. This goes on the outside. Alright, so this is the middle piece right here. You see this side right here? That's kind of like chopped off a little bit. That's the part that you're gonna face towards the door frame, like that way. So you see how this align it like that. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna slide it in the middle just the way I had it before. So I'm gonna go and make sure it's seated in there and it's smooth, so you don't want it sticking out when it like seated in the little spot. If it don't fit perfectly, you could try to like shave it off a little bit. Over here I'm just putting on the screws. I'm just tightening them. My door frame is a little messed up, but we gotta work with it. I'm just tightening them. Now I'm gonna take the key part piece. This goes on the outside. So you see the middle part. I'm gonna insert that in the middle, and I'm gonna line the other two sides with the other holes. So I'm just making sure I got it in the right place. It's on there now. So now I'm gonna get the other piece. This is the piece that's gonna go inside where it don't got the key on it. So that one just goes simply on like that, but you gotta put the screws on. This part is really hard because you can't take off the head for whatever reason, which don't make no sense. But yeah, so basically what I'm doing is I'm gonna use my fingers to like screw on to like it hold on both sides. Once it hold on, then I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna use the screwdriver. I'm just using my fingers to do that. It might be more difficult for some of y'all because some people got bigger fingers, stuff like that. So it might be more difficult for them, but if you can't fit your fingers, try to use the screwdriver to get it on. So here I'm just using different techniques, just pulling it back, front, so I get more space to like screw it on. It's annoying, but you know what I mean. And my hand was kind of greasy too, so kept on spinning off. Now I'm gonna take the other side and do the same thing. It's kind of easy to do when you like move it back from it, so you can kind of see what you're doing. I had to wipe my hands. My hands was oily. So I'm just doing the same thing. I'm just trying to get it on there. And while you're doing this, make sure you're holding the other part from the outside so you don't like knock it off. So now I'm using a screwdriver. I'm gonna just like tighten it little by little, both sides. So I'm gonna go from one side to another, and I'm gonna keep switching. So once I kind of get it on, I'm gonna switch to the left side. If you do have a longer screwdriver, I prefer that. It's easier to like maneuver. But if you do got a shorter screwdriver, you can still do it. It's just easier if you got a longer screwdriver. So you just want to hold it in place, make sure both sides of the door handles are like on the door when you about to tighten it. Now I'm just on the other side doing the same thing. The whole time I'm holding both door handles. Just making sure I tighten it fully. You don't have to like force it, just make sure it's in there. So now I'm just gonna check it out, test it. It's closing properly. Yeah, and that's it, guys. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and follow for more. I appreciate everybody watching, liking, comment.